Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we have seen about binary to decimal conversions, right? And in this session we are going to see about binary to octal conversion. Okay. First step in converting the binary number to an octal number is first you have to group the numbers. Okay, group the given binary numbers into 3 bits, that is from right to left. Okay, and then you can add the preceding 0 to make a group of 3 bits. If the leftmost group has less than 3 bits, you can add one more 0 to it and you can make it as a 3 bit. Okay, and then we are going to convert the equivalent octal value using 2's power positional weight method. Okay, here 2's power positional weight method means you'll see it here. See here, octal number means we know 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So the 7, this 8 numbers, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you have 8 numbers. The binary equivalent for this 8 numbers are 0. That is a binary equivalent is 0 only. 1 means 1. 2 is 10. 3 is 11. 4 is 100. 5 is 101. 6 is 110. 7 is 111. Right? If you are finding this one difficult, I'll give you a easy way. When you are writing the binary equivalent, first 8 digits you are going to write, right? So first, in the leftmost digit, if you see, you can write 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? And then the next second term, if you see 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, right? And then the rightmost term is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Why did you find the easiest way to write the binary equivalent? First, 4 zeros and 4 ones, and then 2 0 2 1, 2 0 2 1, like that, and then 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, right? Do you get the idea to write the binary numbers equivalent to the octal digits? Yes. Now let's see an example. It's in page number 20. Okay. 110101110. That is a binary number, and we are going to convert this binary number to a octal number. Okay. First, we are going to group it into 3 bits from right to left. From right, if you change this to 3 bits means 110, that is a single bit. 1010, that is a single bit, and 11, that is a single bit. And the next point is from the left. If you see, if it is not having 3 digits, you can include a 0 in the left hand side, so the value won't change, but you will get the 3 digits, right? So 010, 011, right? So you got 3 bits from right to left, and then you are going to give the octal equivalent for this binary value. Okay, binary value we have written there already. From there you can check 011 means 3, 010 means 2, 110 means 6. So the binary equivalent for this 110 is 326. Okay, is it clear? And the next one, binary to hexadecimal conversion. Okay, here also same way, we have to group the given numbers into 4 bits from from right to left. Same way only you are going to separate it to 4 bits. Octal means you just divided it to 3 bits. Here you will be converting it to 4 bits. Okay, and then here then you will be converting the equivalent hexadecimal value using 2's power a positional weight method. Okay, see here you can either, here also you can write as you have written in the octal conversion, binary to octal conversion, you wrote a table there, right? And then you converted it by seeing the table. Here also same way you can write it for 4 digits. Okay, 4 digit means first you will write 8 zeros and then 8 ones, and then 4 zeros, 4 1, 4 0, 4 1, and then 2 0 2 1, 2 0 2 1 will be there, and then 0 1 0 1 0 1 will be there. So you will get the 4 digits. binary value, right? So here after here they have given an example 11110101110. So here in this uh, place, if you see here, we are going to convert it into a hexadecimal number. So we are dividing or splitting it into 4 digits. Okay, here when you are dividing it into 4 digits, you will get 0110. From left on, from right only you will be dividing. Okay, from right to left only you will be separating the values. Okay, here if you see 0110 and the next one 1101 and then 11 is there, so you will add 2 zeros before and you will make it as a 4 digit number, right? So 0011 is 3, right? 1101 is, you know, it is D, okay, and then 0110 is 6, okay. So the value, the hexadecimal value is 3D6, okay. Are you clear? So we have seen how to convert a binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal number, right? And now we are going to see conversion of fractional binary to a decimal equivalent. For this conversion also they have given some steps. First, let's see what are the steps there. First, we are going to convert the integral part of the binary to decimal equivalent using the positional notation method. That means we have seen it already. And then we'll convert the fractional part of the binary to its decimal equivalent. Right here, you will write down the binary digits in the fractional part, and for all the digits, write the powers of 2 from left to right, starting from 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3 until 2 power minus n. Right? Now you will write the equivalent weight first and then multiply each digit with its corresponding weight and add all the values which you have obtained in the, as we have seen in the previous step, right? And then to get the final answer, you'll write the integral part after this, followed by a decimal point, and the answer which you get in the first, you'll get one answer, right? That one. Right, here positional notation means 2 power minus 1 is 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 means it is 0.5. 2 power minus 1 is 0.5. 2 power minus 2 is 1 by 4 and 2 power minus 2 is 0.25. Right, 2 power minus 3 is 1 by 8 and it is 0.125. Right, 2 power minus 4 is 1 by 16 and the value of 1 by 16 is 0.0625, right? 2 power minus 5 is 1 by 32 and the value of 1 by 32 is 0.03125, right? 2 power minus 6. 2 power minus 6 means it is 1 by 64, that is 0.015625. Right, next one is 2 power minus 7. There 1 by 128. 1 by 128 means 0.0078125. Right, so here these are the weight and positional notations for 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3, 2 power minus 4, 2 power minus 5, 2 power minus 6 and 2 power minus 7. Here you will be considering the integral part separately and fractional part separately, and you will be converting it, and at last you will write the answer by writing the answer of the integral part separately and followed by a decimal point, and then the answer which is arrived first, and you will write it in the next part, right? So here they have given an example. If you say convert the given binary number 11.011 into decimal equivalent. Integral part is 1 1, right? 1 1, binary number 1 1 is 3, right? Binary number, first binary number is 0, next one is 1, and the next one is 1 0, and the next one is 1 1, right? So 0 1 2 3, right? So 1 1 is 3, and then you will write 1 means 2 power 1. Next one means 2 power 0, and after the point if you are writing 0 2 power minus 1, after the point second number is 1 into 2 power minus 2 and then again 1, it is 2 power minus 3, right? So here you will get 2 power 1 is 2, right? So here 1 plus 2 power 1, so you will get 3 and not 3, it is 2 power 1 is value of 2 power 1 is 2 and 2 power 0 is 1, so 2 plus 1 3, right? Did you get it? 1 1 in the top, if you see, it is 2 power 1 and 2 power 0, so the value of 2 power 0 is 1 and the value of 2 power 1 is 2, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, right? After the point, if you see, it is 2 power minus 1 and then 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3, right? So here 0 into 2 power minus 1, that is 0. 1 into 2 power minus 2, the value of 2 power minus 2, we saw it, it is 0.25, right? So it is 1 into 0.25 and then 2 power minus 3, the value is 0.125. So 1 into 0.125. So the value is 3.375. So the fractional binary to decimal equivalent, right? So the decimal value is 3.375 and the binary for the binary equivalent 11.011, right? So this is the way to convert a decimal equivalent to binary, that is a fractional binary to a decimal equivalent, right? And next session we'll see about converting the octal to decimal conversion. Okay, before that you make a thorough this conversion of fractional binary to decimal equivalents, binary to hexadecimal, binary to octal, and binary to decimal. Okay, if you are clear with this, you'll be able to do it easily. Okay, octal to decimal and all, you can do it easily if you are clear with the previous things, right? Thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.